Managing diabetes with food choices. Managing diabetes through diet doesn't have to be daunting. In fact, it can be a simple and rewarding journey. A diabetes diet isn't about strict limitations. It's about enjoying the healthiest foods, sticking to regular meal times, and considering how food affects your body. This approach is beneficial not just for those with diabetes, but for everyone. Here are some tips for managing diabetes through food choices. Eat whole fruits like apples, grapes, and berries. Stock up on non-starchy vegetables such as salad greens and broccoli, which are nutrient-rich and low in carbohydrates. Choose whole grains, which keep blood glucose stable. Stick to healthy fats like avocados and olive oil. Prioritize protein-rich foods like fish, chicken, and legumes. Some evidence suggests that eating more nuts, berries, yogurt, and drinking more coffee or tea reduces diabetes risk. Moderation is key for foods that can cause blood sugar spikes like white bread, pasta, and sugary drinks, and those associated with diabetes risk like red meat. Understanding how food affects your blood glucose is vital. Keep a food log and monitor your blood glucose before and after meals. Talk to your doctor about your target range and use this information to guide your choices.